In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for directions while driving. Before you hit the road, it's best to set everything up while parked so you can drive safely and focus on the voice guidance. Start by opening Google Maps. On the main screen, look for the Directions button. It's the icon that opens the route planner. This is where you'll set your start and end points and see your options at a glance. First, enter your starting location. If you're on a computer, you can type your current location, your home address, or even drop a pin on the map. If you're on your phone, Google Maps can usually detect where you are automatically, but you can still type a specific starting point if you prefer. Make sure location services are enabled for the most accurate directions. Next, enter your destination. Type the name of a place, an address, or a business, and pick the correct result from the list. You'll see the map adjust right away with one or more suggested routes, along with estimated travel times based on real-time traffic. Now choose your transport mode. Since we're driving, select the car icon. This ensures you get routes optimized for road travel, with travel time estimates that account for current conditions like congestion or incidents. You'll likely see multiple route options highlighted on the map. Choose your preferred route by clicking or tapping the one that suits you best. Consider the estimated times, road types, and whether you want to avoid tolls or highways. You can open route options to toggle avoidances, which is helpful if you're trying to save on tolls or keep to local roads. Take a moment to glance at traffic indicators so you know what to expect. On the left panel you'll find step-by-step directions. This breakdown shows every turn, the names of streets and distances between maneuvers. You can click any step to preview that section on the map, zoom into unfamiliar intersections, and even use map imagery to get oriented before you start driving. Reviewing these steps quickly can reduce surprises on the road. When you're ready, print the directions for a paper backup or send them to your phone. Use the Send to Phone option to deliver the route to the Google Maps app on your device. Once it arrives, open it, mount your phone securely, turn up the media volume, and start navigation to hear turn-by-turn voice guidance. If you'll be in areas with spotty signal, consider saving the route area offline ahead of time. That's it, simple, safe, and reliable. Follow these steps and you'll be confidently using Google Maps for directions while driving.